Page 20, walking the thumb. Here we're dealing with the thumb in the left hand. Correct thumb position? Well, relaxed. If you put your hand just in a relaxed position, however your thumb is, close enough. It's sideways. Don't tense it out and make it straight and relax. It has a slight curl in it. That's fine. Leave the curl in it. It's curved. So let's look it over. It's 2 lines long. It's the bass clef. We're using the left hand here. 4/4 time. Quarter notes and whole notes. We got all that. And we're starting out with middle C here. That puts the hand here. And here we're going to play this pattern going down, all the way down to a C. So it's 1. I want to talk about that. This lesson is on the thumb, but now that we're doing this, I want to talk about that. I play by weight. I let the weight push the notes down, and when I'm doing this, I'm walking on the piano with the fingers. I'm here, the weight's here. I'm going to transfer the weight from this finger to the index finger here. Just slight motion. I'm just transferring weight and then I'm transferring weight back. I'm transferring the weight. I'm not holding the hand still and trying to use just the fingers. I don't recommend it. Here, walk up. And then they want you to move the thumb down, do it again. And then again, the same pattern. And you're going to keep going all the way down to C. And in there. That's all. And again, you want to get to where you can do this without looking at the keyboard, where you can go down one key or up 1 key, and you can feel that. You know about how far that is without having to look. You have to look at first. That's fine. But try and get to where you don't have to look. Now, the dynamics, it just looks like it's 1, mezzo forte. That's it. It's just sort of out. Yeah, that's just... Speed cheerfully again. Oh, okay, I don't care how fast you go, but be cheerful about it, whatever it is. Let's play this together to make sure you got it all okay. We're going to start where it says, and we're going to go all the way down to this C, and we'll end on that one. And then we'll end. That's it. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.